Look up under the dash above the kick panel and locate the BCM. Connect the T-harness in line with the collar matching the connectors. Disconnect the vehicle connectors. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle connectors. Make sure you hear that click, indicating it is fully connected. Connect the T-harness to the BCM. Again, make sure you hear that click, indicating that it's fully connected. Secure the module and T-harness with the included zip ties. This is the complete physical installation. Refer to the guide and other videos for programming details.